What is going on, aquatic family? Eric here with Aquascape Gods. So today we're gonna make a Tannin Aquascape. Now this is something we would not normally do, right? We like our water clear, we like it crystal clear so we see those plants and all those colors that go on inside. But today we're gonna switch it up. We're gonna crush up some leaf litter. We're gonna wait and we're gonna see that nice tea color start to leach out of that leaf litter. And over time, it's gonna get darker and darker and darker, and it's gonna be the home to our shrimp. Now, before we get started, as always, I'd just like to remind everybody to please like and comment on this video. Let us know if you have done a Tannin aquarium and how it turned out and how you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It shows us that you want us to keep making content, and we're really enjoying doing it for you. We've never done a Tannin aquarium like this. We've never embraced the stain, but we are looking forward to seeing what the results are and seeing how it progresses over time. There really won't be any plants in this, just a really cool piece of driftwood that you'll see us actually put together in today's video, and some shrimp, some leaf litter at the bottom, normal sand, not a lot going on. Could be an epic tank, could be an epic fail. Guess time will tell, right? Now, some Tannin aquariums can soften the water, can lower the pH, or can do nothing at all except change the color of your water. I think in the case of the stuff that we used, the leaf litter that we chose for this aquarium, I don't think there will be much change to the water quality, but what we were looking for was more just the color anyways. Where Ryan lives, which is where this aquascape is going to stay, the water is already pretty soft there, so we don't really have to worry too much about that. And we do think that the shrimp will really like the environment that they're in. All right, well, we really hope that you liked how this aquascape came out. We worked pretty hard on this one. We put all that driftwood together. We had to travel about 45 minutes out of our way to get the leaf litter from a local fish store that, well, I mean, it's not really local to us, right? If you liked how this aquascape came out, definitely check out last Saturday's video, which was our top 5 aquascapes ever. If you like this one, you're going to love all of those. And just one more time before I let all of you go, please just don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It really means the world to us. And as always, I'm Eric with Aquascape Gods. Have a great day.